Welcome to our channel. Any new website, how we can creating for cpanel, that is mean by control panel. So I'm setting this website. Right now, this website not done by cpanel. So that is showing will be the site cannot be reached. Here we can go to the your WHM panel. Any cpanel creation, we have to log in for WHM panel. Here, create an account. What are the emails you have? Add the email. Next, the username and password. You can click on here. Password, enter the mail ID, just all information, my routing, local mail, DNS is updated. Next will be click for create. So enter the proper login and everything and create here. So anything is a problem with the DNS, you have to update in the backend field. Here it is called. So it is some DNS problem. You have to rectify it in the particular things here. So any particular cPanel creation, the one and only option is called we have to use this particular domain, username and password retrieve with the particular password this option. So this particular option we can change your cPanel creates just in fraction of seconds. So these steps you can follow it and create the cPanel, each and website. What are the cPanel you create? They can see everything cPanel will be here is the particular option. So these are the cPanel you can create, and when you create the cPanel, you can use by the particular domain and a particular option. So these are the option you have to follow it and create the cPanel for each and every website. So if you want any issues on your cPanel creation time, you have to contact with your hosting team and they rectify doubts. But any website cPanel creation, the only one option name is called WHM panel. So follow this option and select it properly and create the cPanel for your particular website. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.